Good morning, students. Myself Rajni Madhukar. I am once again here for you for the online classes. Students, we completed our 5th chapter. Only which part of this chapter? Explanation and new words. How many new words we wrote? We wrote only 10 new words of this chapter, and we also completed which thing in our textbook, that is exercise. Book exercise means tick the correct option, give 2 examples, and circle the correct word. And the question is write the name of 5 juicy fruits and 5 dry fruits. This thing we completed. Now student, look your textbook. Okay, open the page number. Which page number? 3030. Okay, now in this page all these things given, means question number A. What is given in the page number 3030? Look this page. Okay, page number 30. Question number A we completed. This is the tick the correct option. 3 options given, we tick only one answer. Okay, don't tick all the options. Clear? First you read the sentence and after that you tick your answer. Okay, now the question number B, circle the correct word. Here 2 words given. Okay, you understand the sentence and after that tick the one word. Okay, not both words, only one word. Okay, now C question, write the examples of each of the following. Means what is given in the number 1? Roots as vegetable, means we use root of date plant as a vegetable. I explained you in the explanation part, all the things I explained you. Okay, now stem as vegetables, leaves as vegetables, fruits as vegetables. Okay, now the D number, write the name of 5 juicy fruits and 5 dry fruits. We completed this question. Okay, after that what we done? We start writing part. We wrote 10 new words. Now students, once again I write all that 10 words and after that we write 11 number, 12 number. Okay, now start writing. Once again I revise for you that thing. New words. Okay, now how you write your new words? When we start writing work, I explain you how you start writing. Means in the first line what we write? Chapter number. Okay, before that we write date and day. Okay, and this thing you also fill in which place? In the index page. Okay, you also fill. If you write your new words today, tomorrow, okay, as you wish, so you have to write the date, okay, on your page and also fill that date on your which page? Index page. Okay, now use first line for the chapter number. Leave here one line and write the chapter name, Journey of Food. Okay, you have to leave here one line. After that leave one line also here and write heading, new words. Okay, after that start writing. What we write in the number 1? Number 1 is cereals. And remember one thing, if you write new words, okay, so you have to write first letter small or capital? Small. Okay, don't write capital. Clear? Now write number 1, cereal, cereals, cereals. Okay, look here how you spell cereals. cereals, cereals. Now write number 2, pulses, pulses, pulses. Okay, What is cereals? What is pulses? I explain you, but once again I explain you. Okay, cereal means these are the grains, and I also explain you. How I explain you about the cereal and pulses? I showed you na that thing. Cereals. What is the cereals? These are the seeds. If we divide them, okay, so we get pulses. But not all grains. If you divide all the cereals, you don't get pulses. Okay, some. And usually we use cereals as a flour. आटे के रूप में इस्तेमाल करते हैं हम उसका. Okay. Pulses. These are the seeds, but we divide the seed in the two parts. We get which thing? Pulses. Pulses means दालें. Okay. The name of the pulses is urad, arhar, moong. These are the pulses. Now, number 3. Number 3 is carbohydrates. How you spell carbohydrates? C-A-R-B-O. Carbohydrate. H-Y-D-R-A-T-E-S. Carbohydrates. Okay. What is the carbohydrates? I explain you about it. These are the nutrients. Those are present in which thing? Cereals are pulses. Carbohydrates present in cereals. Okay. Now, number 4. Protein. P-R-O-T-E-I-N-S. Proteins. This is also nutrient. Okay. Now, number 5. Now, student, don't write your note this side of your notebook. Okay. I have big board. मेरे पास बोर्ड बड़ा है, इसलिए मैं इस तरफ लिख रही हूँ. But how you write in your notebook? Write continuously, one by one. एक के बाद एक लिखना है आपको. ठीक है. Now, number 5. Protein. P-R-O-T-E-I-N-S. Proteins. What is the proteins? What is the protein? This is the nutrients. Those are present in the which thing? In the pulses. Okay? Clear? Now 6th number. Vitamins. V-I-T-A-M-I-N-S. This is also nutrient. Those are present in the vegetables and fruits. Number 7. Minerals. M-I-N-E-R-A-L-S. Minerals. From which thing we get minerals? We get minerals from the vegetables and fruits. Basically, we get minerals from the fruits. Okay, these are the nutrients. Now, next, spices. S-P-I-C-E-S. What is the spices and why we use the spices in the food items? Because the spices give the colors and flavor to our food items. Okay. Now we get spices from the different types of plants, and they are the different parts of different types of plants. Okay. Like if you use turmeric, turmeric is a root of plant. Okay. Now if you use chili, chili is a fruit. Okay. So these are the different parts, and I also explain you in the explanation part na. Okay. Now the number 9. Flavor. F-L-A-V-O-U-R. Flavor. You all know about the flavor na. If you want to eat something, if you liked it, okay, तो first you taste it. आप उसे चखते हो ना, तो that is the flavor. Okay, if you like the flavor, you have it. Okay. Now antiseptic. Antiseptics. Okay, antiseptics, I explain you about it in the explanation part. Okay, and in the last lecture also, because we write 10 new words in the last lecture. Okay, clear? Once again I revise for you. These are the new words. How you spell cereals? CEREALS, cereals. Okay. Number 2, pulses. PULSES, pulses. Now number 3, carbohydrates. CARBOHYDRATES. Once again. Okay. carbo, carbo, HYDRATES, dreads, carbohydrates. Now number 4, protein. PROTEINS. Okay, don't write TINES, TEINS. Okay, PROTEINS, proteins. Now, sorry students, we wrote 2 times proteins. Okay, number 5, vitamins. VITAMINS, vitamins. Minerals. MINERALS, minerals. Now 7 number, spices. SPICES, spices. Number 8, flavor. FLAVOUR, flavor. Now antiseptic. ANTISEPTICS. Once again. ANTISEPTICS, antiseptic. Okay, these are the new words. Now students, don't write this thing. Okay, when you see the lecture, I send you this thing in the PDF. Okay, in our WhatsApp group. Clear? But you read this thing 1 or 2 times. Okay. Now write number 10. BEVERAGES, BEVERAGES. Okay. Now number 11. What we write on the number 11? Plugging. PLOUGHING, plugging. What is the meaning of the plugging? I explain you na. In the which cycle? We make one cycle, how the farmers start growing crops and that crop reaches us, means our table, dining table. How? This process is called what is the name of that process? Crop cycle. Okay, I explain you na. Plugging. When the farmer prepare field for the crops, growing crop, that time the farmer plugging the soil, means अपने खेत को तैयार करते हैं ना, हल चलाता है. Plug means हल होता है. Okay, तो how the farmer plugging in their field? Through the tractor and through the animals. Okay, How the farmer plugging their field? Because he prepared the soil for the growing crop. Okay. Now number 12. Manure. M-A-N-U-R-E. What is the meaning of manure? M-A-N-U-R-E. Manure is a food. If you want to grow properly, I explain you na in the explanation part. If you want to grow properly means if you want to make your body strong, so you have a balanced diet. हम क्या करते हैं, एक balanced diet लेते हैं ना. Same way manure works for the crops. Clear? If you want to grow crop and if you don't give any nutrient to plant, so how you get proper crops? So that farmer add the manure in the soil. Clear? I explain you na. Okay. Now number 13. Fertilizers. Fertilizer. Okay. Fertilizers. Now what is the meaning of the fertilizer? They are the same. Okay, manure and fertilizer is the same, but manure we prepare through the natural things and the fertilizer made by the human beings, and these are the not prepared through the natural things. These are prepared through the chemicals. Okay, clear? Now pesticides. Next, Pesticides. Pesticides. Okay. What is the meaning of the pesticides and why the farmer use these? These are the insect killers. Means when the farmer growing crops and after that he get small plants na, he grow the seeds and watering them, and after that he get small plant. Now the some insects and other animals destroy their crops. To prevent them, farmer use pesticides. Okay, so it remove the insects from the crops. Clear? Now 15 number. Insecticides. INSECTI. Insecticides. Okay, both are the same, pesticides and insecticides. Basically the insecticides used for the remove the insect, small insect, जो छोटे छोटे कीड़े मकोड़े होते हैं उनको हटाने के लिए यूज करते हैं. ओके, नाउ 16 नंबर. इरिगेशन. IRRIGATION. Irrigation. What is the meaning of the irrigation? Watering the crops or watering the plant is called irrigation. Okay, जब किसान अपने खेतों में पानी देता है, okay, so this process is called irrigation. Now harvesting. 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 The cutting of crops. Okay, when the crops ripe, मतलब जब अनाज पक जाता है तो the farmer start cutting the crop. Okay, or plant. So this process is called harvesting. Now threshing. Next, THRESHING. Threshing. Okay, when farmer cut the crop, after that he want to to remove the or separate the grains from the plant. So this process is called threshing. Means separation of the seeds or separation of the grains is called threshing. Okay. Now number 19. Winnowing. If any other particles means grains is if through the threshing we separate the grains from the crops or any other thing present in the grains, so we remove them from the crop grains. So this process is called winnowing. Okay. Now number 20. ORCHART. What is the meaning of the orchard? This is the garden of fruits. Okay, where we only see which thing? Only the plant of fruits. Okay. Now 21. Diseases. DISEASES. Now 22. Oats. OATS. Oats is a grain. Okay. Diseases means you all know about the diseases. Meaning of the disease. बीमारियों का मतलब समझते हो ना? Okay. So these are the new words of chapter number 5. Okay. Read once again all the things. Now students, after the new word, we write which thing? Question answer. This question answer given in your textbook. Okay. On the page number 31, question number E. Answer the following questions. Okay. Chapter number 5. Question number 1. Okay. Now first we write which thing? Heading. Answer the following questions. Right? Answer the following questions. Okay. Leave here one line and write number 1. Now what is given in the question number 1? Why do we need food? Okay. What is the question number 1? Why do we need food? Okay. The answer of this question is, write the answer. We need food because it helps grow and protect us from diseases. What is given in the number 1? Why do we need food? We need food because it helps our body to grow and protect us from diseases. Okay? And this thing I explained you in the explanation part. Okay? Why do we need food? Because our body wants different types of nutrients. ओके एंड इफ यू ईट प्रॉपरली, आप सभी चीज खाओगे तो यू गेट एनर्जी. ओके मीन्स कार्बोहाइड्रेट क्विकली रिचार्ज योर बॉडी. ओके इफ यू आर डूइंग हार्ड वर्क और अगर आप कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स लेते हो तो ये आपकी बॉडी को जल्दी से एनर्जेटिक बनाता है. ओके प्रोटीन प्रोटेक्ट करता है, हेल्प द ग्रोथ ऑफ योर बॉडी. ओके क्लियर. एंड those are the minerals and vitamins protect your body from the diseases. Okay, so we need food. This is the answer. Clear. Once again I read for you. Okay, answer. We need food because it helps our body to grow. Okay, means carbohydrates and proteins help your body to grow up, and fats, oils. Okay, clear. And protect us from diseases. Different types of nutrients protect our body from the diseases. Okay, clear. Now number 2. See the question number 2. Why do children need a lot of proteins? Okay, and what is the main source of protein? That is pulses. Okay, and other things also give us protein, means egg. Okay, those are the non-vegetarians. वे लोग खाते हैं ना अंडा. ओके तो अंडा भी एक प्रोटीन का सोर्स है. ओके एंड पल्सेस. ओके नंबर 2. व्हाट इज द नंबर 2? व्हाई डू चिल्ड्रन नीड, व्हाई डू चिल्ड्रन need a lot of protein. Why? Write the answer and I explain you better all the things. Okay, children need a lot of protein because they are in growing stage. Children need a lot of proteins because they are in their growing stage. Okay. Now student, look your height. Okay. In the nursery, what is your height? क्या थी आपकी height? आप छोटे थे ना? Okay. After that now you are in the 4th class. अब आप कौन सी क्लास में हो? 4th क्लास में हो. तो आप उतने ही बड़े हो? No. अब आपकी हाइट बढ़ गई है ना, कोई 4 फीट का हो गया है, कोई 3 फीट 8 इंचेस 11 10, आपकी यही हाइट है अभी. ओके. तो नाउ इफ यू गेट प्रॉपरली प्रोटीन तो योर बॉडी ग्रो, मीन्स आपकी हाइट भी बढ़ेगी. ओके, क्लियर? तो दैट इज द रीजन. तो यू नीड अ लॉट्स ऑफ प्रोटीन. ओके, आप छोटे हो, आपको ज़्यादा प्रोटीन की जरूरत है. Clear? Now number 3. What is given in the number 3? Why do we add spices in our food? Why do we add spices in our food? Why do we add? क्यों मिलाते हैं हम लोग मसाले? Write the answer. Because the spices give the flavor and color of our food items. Okay. Right. We add spices in our food because it adds color and flavor into the food. Okay. We add spices in our food because it adds color and flavor into the food. Okay. Now, number 4. What is given in the number 4? what are the main oil seeds? Number 4. What are the main oil seeds? We have to write here name of the oil seeds. Okay, means we get extract from these seeds. Okay, write the name. The main oil seeds are okay. These names also given in the textbook. You have to read the name of that seeds. Okay, write the name are mustard, next sesame, now soya bean, next is olive oil. Okay, olive, sunflower, coconut, and groundnut. Clear? Oil, name of the oil seed. Mustard means राई, जो हमारा राई खाते हैं ना, सरसों. ओके, sesame, soyabean, olive, sunflower, coconut, and groundnut. How we get oil from these seeds? We push them and crush them. हम उसको क्या करते हैं? क्रश करके, मतलब दबा कर, ठीक है, उसका ऑयल निकालते हैं. क्लियर? नाउ योर क्वेश्चन आंसर फिनिश्ड हियर. Now students, in your textbook only 5 questions given. After that we write in the next lecture. Okay, what we write? We write some extra questions. Okay, clear? Now you have to read this chapter once again. Okay, and if you have any problem, make a call. Clear? And after that, how you write, I explain you about that, how you write your new words, and don't write book exercise. Okay, this book exercise in your textbook. Okay, clear? And I send you all the things, whatever I wrote here. Okay, new words, question answer, I send you in our which group? WhatsApp group. Okay, clear? Now I finish my lecture here. Take care. Bye bye.